Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sabrina Sofia binti Muhammad Sadal and my metric number is 3923F1015. Today, I will present about how management information system are used in a real business operation. During my internship at Aisyah Zandra Boutique, Aisyah Zandra is a rapidly growing Muslimah fashion brand in Malaysia. It's specialized in selling high quality, stylish and modern hijab. We have a physical kiosk and its main boutique. The business also creates job opportunities and empower women through its agent system. What makes Aisyah Zandra unique is how it combines fashion with technology. It uses various management information systems to handle sales, stock monitoring, online customer engagement, and operational tasks. This allows the business to run smoothly, improve decision making, and deliver better service to customers. Throughout this presentation, I will show how this system works in real life operation and how they impact business performance. This is the objective of this presentation, to explain the role of management information system in business operation, to describe key component and dimension of information system, and to explore the use of hardware, software and networking in business. Lastly, to provide insight and suggestion for better management information system integration. Let's begin with the first dimension, which is the organizational dimension. This refers to how the structure, goal, procedure, and culture of a business influence the use of information system. For a system to be effective, it must align with how the company operates, such as the hierarchy and decision-making process. For example, at Aisyah Zandra Boutique, sales data from the kiosk is regularly reported to the headquarters. This information is used to make restocking decision efficiently. This shows how the information system is integrated with business procedure to support smooth operations. Next is the people dimension. This includes everyone involved with the information system, such as IT staff, employee and managers. They are responsible for developing, using and maintaining the system. At Aisyah Zandra, for instance, the staff use tools like StoreHub to manage sale and stock, and they use WhatsApp for daily communication and coordination. The success of an information system strongly depends on how well the people are trained and how adeptly they are using technology. Lastly, we have the technological dimension. This involves all the technology that support the system, such as hardware, software, database, and network system. At Aisyah Zandra, the technology used include barcode scanner to track the product, the StoreHub POS system for sales management, and TikTok analytic tools to monitor marketing performance. With a strong tech foundation, the business can operate more efficiently and reduce the risk of error in daily process. Next, the basis of information system. Information systems are essential in supporting business operation, decision making, and achieving organization goals. Now, let's look at the basic activity of an information system, which include 4 key steps: input, processing, output, and feedback. Let's begin with input. Input refers to the process of collecting raw data from different sources, both internal and external. At Aisyah Zandra Boutique, input comes from daily sales at kiosks and online sales platform, customer feedback, and stock availability report. Without accurate input, the whole system cannot operate effectively because all decision depends on the quality of the data collected. The next step is processing. This is where collected data is sorted, classified and analyzed to produce meaningful insight. For example, Aisyah Zandra team used sales data from TikTok Live to study customer buying patterns. By analyzing the data, they can identify which products are in high demand and the best time to promote them. This process information help improve planning and decision making. Moving on the next two activity, output and feedback. Output is the result of the processing step. It transforms the data into useful information such as report, graph, or alerts. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, this include daily sales summarized, restock report, and performance chart. This output are shared during team meeting to help guide marketing decision, stock management, and promotional planning. Finally, we have feedback. Feedback is the process of reviewing the system output to improve future input and processing. This creates a continuous improvement cycle. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, feedback comes from customer review or internal staff evaluation. For example, after a sales event, the team may adjust staff responsibilities or update SOP to better manage future high demand period. This helps the system stay accurate, relevant, and responsive to change. Second, discuss the component of its hardware, software, data, people, and process. Now, let's look at the key component of an information system. First, we have hardware, which include all the physical tools like computer, barcode scanner, and printer used in business operation. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, hardware play a role in inventory tracking and customer order processing. Next is software, which include systems like StoreHub, POS system, and digital tools like Canva, CapCut. These help manage daily sales, monitor performance, and improve marketing activities. Third is data. This refers to raw information like customer order, stock level, and sales performance. Data is essential for planning and decision making. The fourth component is people. These are the users who interact with the system, such as the sales team, admin, and managers. People must be trained and tech literate to use the system effectively. Finally, process. Process refer to the standard procedure followed, such as order fulfillment step and restocking methods. This ensure all tasks run smoothly and are well organized. Together, these 5 components ensure the information system support the boutique daily operation effectively. Illustrate the dimension of information system based on business. Next, this is section 2, Management Information System Basic. In this section, I will explain the technical foundation of a management information system, which include computer, hardware, software, and networking. First, computer hardware and software play a big role in a business activity. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, devices like desktop computer, barcode scanner, and printer are used every day to manage order and track the stock. Software such as StoreHub is used to control inventory and sales record, while Canva, CapCut, and TikTok Analytics help in creating and planning marketing strategy. Second, the hardware and software must be organized and assembled correctly. In Aisha Zandra Boutique, the point of sale system is connected to the stock system. So, when a sale is made, the stock level update automatically. This integration helps save time, reduce error, and make work easier for the staff. Finally, networking connect all these systems together. Aisha Zandra use a local area network, which is LAN, inside the boutique to link its device. And wide area network, WAN, like the internet and cloud service to manage online order, TikTok Live, and Shopee platform. This network allow the business to operate both physically and digitally in real time. Next, section 3, ethical and social issue in information system. In this section, I will discuss the ethical, social, and legal issue related to the use of information system in business. Now, let's discuss some key ethical issues related to the use of information technology in business. First, market power exploitation occurs when companies use information technology system to unfairly control the market. This can happen through price manipulation, restricting competition, or creating monopolies by leveraging customer data. For example, a business might use sensitive customer information to undercut competitors or block access to important service. Second, fair pricing is a major ethical concern. With dynamic pricing algorithm, business may charge different price to different customer without clear transparency. This price discrimination can lead to unfair situation, especially when prices are raised during time of demand. Lastly, transparency and accountability are crucial. Business must clearly communicate how their information technology system work and how customer data is used. They need to be responsible for their information technology practice to avoid misuse and to maintain trust with their customer and stakeholder. In summary, ethical information technology use are vital to ensure fairness, protect consumer rights, and promote trust in business operation. So this is social issue. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, social issue with information technology include building trust with customer and managing power dynamic among staff. Customer expect their personal data to the protect and for communication on online platform to the honest and clear. And internally, tools like StoreHub give some staff more access to data which must be managed fairly to avoid conflict and inequality. As system involved, employee also need support to adapt to the new technology and roles. By handling this issue well, the boutique build stronger trust and a positive work environment. Now, let's look at the legal implication of information system at Aisha Zandra Boutique. The boutique take responsibility and accountability seriously by ensuring customer data is handled securely, with trained staff following privacy guidelines. They focus on data privacy, using secure system and restricting access to sensitive info only to authorized staff. For intellectual property, Aisha Zandra use only licensed or original content in their marketing and protect their brand by registering trademark for their name and logo. Lastly, management keep up with information technology law and practice to ensure all business operations stay legal and ethical. At Aisha Zandra Boutique, we respect intellectual property by using only original or licensed marketing content and avoiding patent design without permission. We have also registered our name and logo as trademark to protect our brand. By following copyright law and industry standard, we maintain fairness, protect our business, and build trust with our customer. So lastly is conclusion. To conclude, this presentation has shown how management information system helps support and improve daily operation at Aisha Zandra Boutique. We discussed how the key component, hardware, software, data, people and process work together to boost efficiency and support better decision making. We also covered the role of technology and networking and touched on important ethical, social, and legal issues such as privacy, fairness, and intellectual property. As a recommendation, Aisha Zandra should continue training staff to use management information system tools effectively, stay transparent when handling customer data, and follow all law to avoid legal issues. With ethical practice and proper use of management information system, the boutique can grow its business while maintaining customer trust and a strong reputation. Thank you guys. That's all from my presentation. Bye.